Pee Wee Herman. All right, I'm here at Route 19 Antique Mall in front of my favorite, Pee Wee Herman. Now, I don't normally come here because the one time I did, there weren't a lot of kitschy vendors. I preferred their sister store down the road. However, it is gone. So I don't remember there being an outside section. I'm gonna start over there. I must have missed this last time. Ah, a little Santa Claus ornament. How cute. Oh, it's a magnet. $5. That's pretty adorable. It's kind of a little grimy, but we can forgive it. Well, I'm just seeing they have 30% off on the outside. Is that right? I think that's right. Yeah. So I might pick this up if I find something else. I don't have cash on me, of course. Ooh, I like these. Ooh, okay. Heard that.
30% outside as usual.
All right. This is kind of fun. Oh my gosh, look at this stuffed horse. How sweet. 37, even with 20%, that's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that. Funny chicken situation here. Ooh. Is this an older one? I've never seen a ballerina. $12. I'm looking for the Torino mark. I don't see it. That's probably about retail after the... I don't know. I feel like I could eke out a couple extra bucks. Oh, look. Ah, squeaky. $12. Very good price. Does he squeak? Cute. That's definitely a good deal. It's a more common one. Very good price though. So it looks like my intuition was right. I assumed that since the place down the road closed that some of them would move here, and it looks like that's true because a lot has changed since the last time I was here. I thought those were little reindeer. They're keys. The earring set there. And of course, I love that lipstick holder. I see the, I believe, Lefton Angel Bell. The leprechauns are what caught my attention. They are the bisque material, though. I like the ones with the glaze on them. All right, what do we have here? It looks like a lot of newer stuff. Elf. Oh, this mirror is really pretty. It comes to 12 bucks after the discount too. That's a really fair price. Good price, I should say. Not even fair, good. Oh, here's one of these light up wreaths, 20 bucks. And the Noel candle holders. Those aren't my favorite. $30 for this set is pretty fair retail, I'd say though. Some of those are really overpriced when I go out, I see. Uh-oh, we have vintage clothing. I love this skirt. Oh my gosh, how fun. I love this Dutch boy felt silhouette. That is really nice. It's very different here than I remember. A lot of stuff, but again, things I appreciate more than my own personal style, I'd say. This little situation. Look at that pin. Oh my gosh. What? Just ran my head right into the case. Hello. Our cats are kind of neat. There's something off about them though. Made in Taiwan. That's what they are. They are newer than I'd like. Oh, I love this nesting doll set. Lots of Fenton animals here. And no shortage of blow molds. Love the snowman. See a lot of knickknacks I like in here. Love like the miniatures. Are these Gopal? They are. $9 each, not bad. This looks like Japan, not Germany. Made in occupied Japan, correct. Very well priced, but looking for something a little bit more unique and different than I normally pick up. Now, this is $12 and 20% off. Why? I kind of feel like these with the glasses and everything without holes in them sell for decent money. They're made by Knickerbocker. It's been so long since I've seen one for anywhere near reasonable price that's not all beat up that I think I'm gonna look it up. So they don't sell for as much as I remember, but at $9 and some change, basically 10 I should say. Especially that means I can grab my little rubber face Santa Claus magnet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I actually don't think I've bought and sold this exact one before. Well, this has my attention, this black cat clicker. Huh. And I'm pretty sure these elves, they $2 each, even those. I'm gonna have to open the case here in a second. Now, little dolls. Don't worry, I didn't breeze this over. This duck is adorable, $18. Think about what I got going on here. Yeah, so Halloween's super collectible, and I love the black cat. You don't see that one every day. The little noisemaker there, it looks like it last sold for $20. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up too. I'm just now seeing the spaghetti Santa too. $23 with 20%, very good price. If it was the planter, I'd pick it up. This snowman has my attention though. It's missing its cord, but still. So I did end up picking up the black cat clicker. The elves were 12, not 2, which makes much more sense. I'm gonna leave the duck. I've had ones like that before, and honestly, they just end up in my own personal collection, and I don't need that. A lot going on here. Definitely a watch your head situation. I'm only 5'1", and I have to duck. Of course, I noticed a little ceramic Christmas tree. I don't really mess with those, honestly. I don't know enough about them. It's not really my thing. Oh my gosh, they're not kidding when they say watch your head. Look at this stiff monkey. Okay, got more knickknacks over here. I'm trying to love the jadeite color. Not seeing anything that really sticks out. Of course, this kissing couple salt and pepper shaker set, I've had this a bunch. Somewhat of a fair price at 16 and 20%, but doesn't leave enough room for me to get really excited about it. And then I see one of these little bendy Santa Claus. This one looks new though. Jellyfish, daisy pin. And this hat stand is kind of neat. The celluloid walking baby. I've had that one a bunch actually. I stopped picking it up a while ago. I got kind of sick of seeing it. Oh, rubber face Santa Claus pajama bag, $18 and 20%. We're gonna have to take that. Is the zipper work on it? Let me make sure. Yeah, these are pretty hard to find. They usually sell for about 30 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Old Howard. Their wine bottle covers. Is it $8 each or $8 for the pair? They're a little rough, so I'm gonna leave those for $8 each. I've kind of come to a dead end here. I'm gonna circle back. I saw a little bit more kitschy Christmas stuff the other way. Oh my gosh. Do they know what this is? Dang, they kind of do. 48 and 20% off is a little bit closer than I'd like. I can't remember what the last one I sold was. I want to say it was about 60 something, and the chain's busted on this one, but still, I might look it up anyway just because it's been a while. I'm actually thinking of a different one. This one sells for about 38 in good condition, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that. I mean, there's ones that have gone for more, but the average price is about 38. Not really seeing anything else over here. These stockings are so cute. I haven't had much luck with stockings though. I love this elephant snack plate, 24. Can't really do anything with that. Oh, look at this little celluloid baseball guy. Unfortunately, his bat's broken. This is a very cool piece. It's a little bit bigger than I'd like. Oh, look, there's another one of this felt That's adorable. If it was a little bit less, I would get that. Also, weirdly into this Elizabeth cat tray. Oh, look at this little Santa ornament. He's adorable. What's going on down here? Weird baby face. It's the plastic rabbit face I see that catches my attention. These are great for crafts. There's 2 of them in there. $5, so $4. Man, a crafter would be really excited to see these. I'm not sure if I want to mess with them though. Is this a last rites box? Looks to be so. I'm not messing with it. Whoa, look at that big rosary. I love old religious items. Whoa, Murano poodle. Fantastic. More kitschy little toys. Not really seeing anything else. That Santa Claus is pretty neat. How much is that? It's a walker too. $10. That seems super fair. But I'm kind of tapped out of this place, I think. So I ended up spending about $36 in there, which brings my total to $56. Now I'm gonna hop in the car, head north about 30 minutes to one of my favorite places ever. Let's go.